Hi, I'm Angela Brown Burke, Chairman of the People's National Party and Spokesperson for Labour and Social Security. And I just want to wish every single member and supporter of the People's National Party a happy new year and a happy holidays. And in fact, all of Jamaica, at home and abroad. May you have a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year. Now, about a better Jamaica. For me, a better Jamaica is wherever you come from, uptown, downtown, country, or town, that this feels like your Jamaica because of the whole of it. The other, for better Jamaica, is whichever school you go to, whether it's a traditional school, a high school, or all-age school, wherever, that at the end of your time in school, you have the same chances of leaving with 5 CXCs, including maths and English. A better Jamaica, for me, is whether you have a disability or not, that this feels like your Jamaica. Whether you're at school, it means that the circumstances are there for you to do your work, whether you need a shadow, whether you need a help, whatever you need, that it's there. Education, work, whatever. This too is your Jamaica, and we have to make sure you feel that that is so. And then the next one for me, in terms of a better Jamaica, is about our workers. That if you leave your yard every day and go work, and you put out your effort, that at the end of the day, the salary that you come home with should be able to help you feed your kids, put food on your table, go to work, and a little something to live on. Because the truth is, as workers, we have to make sure you thrive and you don't have to strive or struggle. That for me is a better Jamaica.